Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, back again with another pellet grill video. Now today I'm going to do Conecuh sausage with bacon, onion, and oh man, it is exceptional. And you can expand this video's description and click the link there to find the little bitty skewers like I'm using, also the pellet grill like I'm using, and the wood pellets as well.
On a slanted porch of stone, pellet grill burning steady by that soft spray wind alone. Bacon wrapped sausage waiting, pineapple in a tin, onion rings like gold hoops ready for the flame to spin. He laid it down real easy, closed the lid and let it ride. Oak smoke climbed the rafters, rode off toward the water side. IrixGuy, cook that fire, bacon, pineapple, onion right. Chef IrixGuy, keep it low, let that smoke roll all night. Appalachian Ocean, where the mountains kiss the bay. Chef IrixGuy, cook that fire, make the whole house sway. Grease drip like a payday, citrus mint the pork, sweet and sharp together, made a grin out on the fork. He flipped them in the red glow with a towel and a nod. Said that little kiss of coastline tastes like heaven on a rod. Plates lined up and shine, juice runs down the grain. One bite and the whole porch starts talking up his name. Chef IrixGuy, cook that fire, bacon, pineapple, onion right. Chef IrixGuy, keep it low, let that smoke roll all night. Appalachian Ocean, where the mountains kiss the bay. Chef IrixGuy, cook that fire, make the whole house sway. Cut through the pine tops, grill lid shut with a hum. He stood there like a preacher for the supper that had come. Then he served it to the table, and that first bite set it true. A mountain breeze and sea salt on a paper plate for two. Chef IrixGuy, cook that fire, bacon, pineapple, onion right. Chef IrixGuy, keep it low, let that smoke roll all night. Appalachian Ocean, where the mountains kiss the bay. Chef IrixGuy, cook that fire, make the whole house sway. Yeah, Chef IrixGuy, let it sizzle, let it glow. Appalachian Ocean, and that pellet grill slow.
So these have been marinating in the fridge for many hours, and preferably you could do it overnight if you want to marinate them overnight. Not required, but just further enhances the flavor profile. So I'm doing my Z-Grill's pellet grill at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to I'm doing that. I could do a low and slow if I wanted to, but the 350 is important because it's going to crisp up the bacon. I'm just going to position these throughout my pellet grill. And like I said, these little bitty miniature kebabs, these miniature skewers, super affordable. I've linked them and everything else within this video's description. But just a great way to hold everything together, because ultimately One of the biggest things about this cook is the fact that you're blending all the flavors. You're blending the flavor of the Conecuh. You're blending it with the flavor of the bacon and the pineapple and the onion. And then of course it's all elevated because you marinated it tightly covered in the refrigerator. I mean, there's so many things that are going into this, and it's just a bunch of little tiny little morsels of goodness. Look at this. Look at that. Putting all these together, I mean, you can't go wrong when you've got these types of ingredients. It's going to be exceptional. Well, I pulled that one apart. And now what you want to do is get your marinade and dump your marinade all over it, the leftover. So here's the finished product. Look at this. Oh man, bacon, Conecuh, onion, pineapple. Look at that. Oh man, so good. Subscribe, ring that bell, and check out all of my pellet grill videos here from the Appalachian Ocean. Comment below, what would you like to see me cook next? Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.